Lie on your back and pull your knees to your chest for reclining belly twist. Hold your left knee. Breathing in, stretch your right leg up, and breathing out, lower it to the floor. You'll keep your right leg active throughout the pose. On your next breath in, roll to your right, bringing your left knee all the way to the floor and stretching your left arm up. And really reach with that arm. It's not about position, it's about action. Lift the shoulder blade, and then exhaling, stretch the arm out to the left, bringing it halfway to the floor. If this twist bothers your lower back, you can support your knee on a block. Turn your head to the left to gaze at your hand, and breathe steadily. Keeping your hand lifted, exhale and press your left shoulder toward the mat, holding for a moment. And then press it again. Your shoulder may or may not come to the floor. Continue to stretch the arms strongly. Breathing in, release. And coming back to center, knees to chest. Hold the right knee. Breathing in, stretch the left leg up. And breathing out, lower it to the mat. Again, the leg stays active throughout the pose. Breathing in, roll to the left. Letting the exhalation bring your knee to the floor and your right arm reaching strongly up. Relax your breathing. Now inhaling, reach to the right, lowering the arm halfway to the floor and turning your head to gaze at your hand. Keeping your right arm active, exhale and press your shoulder to the floor. This will increase the work in your upper back and help remove some of the tension there. And try to relax the back. That will help your twist go further as well. Inhale, release. Come back to center, hugging the knees to the chest. A very effective exercise to extend your breath out and calm the nervous system is an exercise called pursed-lipped breathing. Pucker your lips like you're holding a drinking straw in your mouth. One cycle of pursed lip breathing is this. Try it with me. Exhale by blowing out through pursed lips. As you finish your exhalation, close your mouth and pause. Breathe in with your mouth closed. Again, pucker your lips and breathe out through pursed lips in a long, steady channel of air. Continue with this breathing, exhaling through pursed lips, pausing, breathing in with your mouth closed. Do you feel how, as you exhale, your belly muscles sink into your back body? That means you're using your diaphragm more effectively. Don't force this as you purse your lips and exhale, channeling the breath. Notice how the exhalation becomes longer and more steady. Continue this at your own pace. Exhale through pursed lips, a long, steady stream of air. Pause. Inhale, mouth closed. Pay attention to each pause, relaxing, waiting for the new breath in to arrive naturally. If your breathing seems forced, shorten the exhalation. This is not about quantity, but quality. One more. Exhale through pursed lips. Pause and relax. Let the new breath in come naturally, mouth closed. Now return to normal breathing. Normal breathing is breathing with the mouth closed, an effortless breath in, followed by an effortless breath out. Not deep breathing, just relaxed breathing. For people with enormous stress and anxiety, knowing what a normal breath is an unknown. So slow your breathing and relax. Set up for legs up the wall pose by folding 2 blankets from the basic blanket fold into thirds from the short end, as I'm showing. If you have no blankets, you can still enjoy a calming effect from this pose by simply lying on your back with your legs up the wall. If you're using blankets, put one on top of the other and position them about a foot from the wall. Sit sideways on the blankets, lean back on your hands, swing your feet up the wall and lie back. Adjust the blankets so your lower hips hang just slightly between the blankets and the wall. Your shoulders will be on the floor. If your lower back hurts, remove the blankets and simply lie on your back with your legs up the wall. Rest your arms and close your eyes. This pose is also called Deep Lake Pose. The deep lake represents your lower abdomen, an area where enormous stress can dwell, creating tension in not just the belly, but the head as well. That makes Deep Lake Pose a wonderful posture for headaches. Relax to feel the depth and calmness in your belly. And reflect that by relaxing your face and feeling your weight drop into the back of your skull. With each exhale, the belly sinks into the back body, and the body sinks into the blankets or floor, creating a gentle opening of the heart and a quietness in the face and the belly. If the mind wanders, and the mind does wander, simply let the thoughts float by and come back to relaxed breathing, dropping into the deep lake of your belly nice modification of deep lake pose is to bend your knees and bring the soles of your feet together, sliding them down the wall. But the main goal of this pose is to make time for yourself to consciously slow down and reduce stress. This will reduce the stress hormones in the body, calm the nervous system, and has a cumulative effect. When you're ready to come out of deep lake pose, simply slide off the blankets, roll slowly to your side, and come up to sit in a cross-legged position.